Alright, for this demonstration here, we'll show how to use this connector from Blue Ocean Lighting. It's a clip-on connector, and it's used if you don't have soldering tools or skills available to make connections to LED strips. This connector has clip-on at both ends, so it could be used to connect two separate LED strips together to go either around a corner or just to extend it a little bit, as long as it's within the power availability of the power supply. So we'll unplug this here briefly. We will make a cut here on our cut marks. There, you can see the solder or the copper pad is exposed on both sides. Then again, I like to peel back double-sided tape on the back a little bit, just to ensure that it slides into the connector properly. So that's peeled back. Now it's important to make sure that the polarity is correct, so we can see the plus and the minus on the LED strip there. So we connect the plus to the red and the minus to the black. You can slide it in and you can see that the connectors go right over top of the copper pad there. Once they're in, we can close it and clamp down, and now our LED strip is in there. Then at the other end, we can connect it and continue. Again, ensure that the red goes to the positive, black goes to the negative. Slide our strip in there, make sure it's all the way in, and once it's in, we can punch down the connector, and we will do a power on test. There we go. The LED is connected. Now we can go around corners, 90-degree bends, whatever you like to do. This is also very useful if you need to connect a lead to your LED strip at the beginning, to your power supply, and you've already cut the original lead off.